Welcome to Guitar Beats. I am Jorge Caballero, and in this video we will cover another form of rest stroke that is common amongst guitar players, the fixed joint rest stroke. This rest stroke has many similarities in feel to a free stroke in that the path of the follow-through has an elliptical shape. However, due to the downward directional intent of the finger, we are able to produce a rest stroke. Please note that since I mentioned elliptical shapes in strokes, at some point later, in a later video, I will discuss issues of spatial geometry that are useful for a technique study. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the direction of the fixed joint rest stroke. If collapsible joint rest stroke allows collapsing of the joint, fixed joint rest stroke means that the tip joint must remain firm and not bent through the execution of the stroke. Here's a useful tip. For fixed joint rest stroke, it is advisable to have a lower wrist position than that of the collapsible joint rest stroke, as it facilitates the downward directional intent of the stroke, like this. Here's the wrist position for the collapsible joint rest stroke. And here is the wrist position for the fixed joint rest stroke. To practice this stroke, use the same principles from the third video in the collapsible joint rest stroke. If you haven't seen that video, I would encourage you to watch it. There we talk about principles for developing a technique, and they are feel, continuity, and consistency. For example, in this case, you can do this. You can begin by setting the finger, then fix the tip joint, and then play. So set the finger, fix the tip joint, then play. And then work on feeling these three actions as one. And then test yourself in alternations, scales, and whatnot to see how consistent you are with the execution of this stroke. I hope you enjoyed this video. The following video will contain examples from the repertoire that will highlight the two rest strokes that we have discussed and how to use them in a context. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Have a great day and thanks for watching.